and welcome back to Be Crazy with Niyati. I am Niyati and this time I'm here with DIYs in origami, which will be very useful to you. Before we get started, do like, share and subscribe and let's go. So first of all, what do we have? We have a pen stand, which is like you take an origami paper, you fold it into half just for the crease. Make sure your crease is perfect and open them. Then you take these two corners and fold it towards the first crease which we made. Now, as the lower part, you will fold it towards the triangles. And now you fold both these corners towards our first crease. First one. Now open one of these flaps and pour some glue. And stick the other end inwards and push it till you meet this crease. Now I am going to stick this into my half done pen stand like this. So pour glue on both the sides. And be sure to stick them in both sides. To stick them properly so that they don't fall out and you get a bigger use. You can even staple them or tape them for longer time. And do be sure to stick a paper at the bottom, as they might fall out. The pens might fall out of these holes. Second of all, we have an origami bookkeeper. What do a bookkeeper? It's a bookmark made of origami. So first of all, you fold it into a triangle like this. This time we do not use any gum or glue. Be sure to make the crease proper and perfect. Then fold it into a triangle again. Fold it into half again. And then open them with this just for the crease. You fold both these corners towards the crease again. And unfold them. And then take one layer of the first triangle we made and fold them at the base. Then again you do this, the corner towards the crease, and then push them into the second crease, the smaller triangle which we made. Inside. You can decorate it, or you can use colored paper like I did, or if you don't have origami paper, you can use an A4 sheet and make it into a square and use it. So the third thing we have is something we all need nowadays. It's a phone stand made of paper. If you need a bigger phone stand, or if you want a tablet stand, you can use it, as I said before, from a A4 sheet, which would be much thicker and much stronger and it would not fall. So let's get started and let's see how it's done. So like always, you fold it once, only for the crease, and then you fold both the sides towards the crease. And remember, this is our crease 1. Now you turn it the other way where these flaps are not visible, and this is our crease 2. You fold them into half again. Now you open it and you go to the flap side, and now you fold the corners towards the crease 2, which makes it a triangle, and then do it on the other side too. Once you do it on both sides, you will get an X like this. Then on the lower part, for this we will be using staplers instead of glue. Like I showed you, we got crosses and a diamond in between. So as these flaps are already folded outside, you take one of them, then you hold with your right hand, you hold it on the right hand with the right flap and the left on the corner, and you pinch it inside and push it. Then you take your stapler and staple it. Do not wait till you finish the whole thing, or when you are doing this part, this will come loose and then it gets all confused. So the same thing we do it. Hold on your right hand, right flap, left with your corner, push it in, as we are doing the second one, this will come loose, so be sure just to press it in and leave it. Staple it again. That's a phone holder for you. You can watch YouTube or watch my videos easily without no hassle in this phone holder. Do tell me which one you like of all these three, and do share me a photo in your comments and tell me what you like the best. And if you have not seen my previous videos, go down below and you're sure to find it. Do subscribe to my buddy's channel. His name is Akash Menon. His channel's name is Mr. Mindblower Menon, and do like, share and subscribe, and bye bye next time. Till then, tata.